make it dance when you're drunk with your friends at a party? What's your favorite song? Does it make you smile? Do you think of me? When you close your eyes, tell me, what are you dreaming? Everything I wanna know it all. I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours. And I might never get there, but I'm gonna try. If it's 10,000 hours or the rest of my life, I'm gonna love you. Do you miss the road that you grew up on? Did you get your middle name from your grandma? When you think about you forever now, do you think of me? When you close your eyes, tell me, what are you dreaming? Everything I wanna know it all. I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours. And
कस्तो खालको साथी कि अब जहिले खाने बेला मात्रै आइपुग्छ अरू बेला त आउँदैन भन्ने कुरा गर्दै हो। अन्त अर्को चाहिँ यसको लागि चाहिँ के न के अब समाधान गर्नुपर्छ भनेर चाहिँ बुढाबुढी चाहिँ सल्लाह गरे। अब तपाईँले आउनुहोस् तिमी भन्नु सक्दैन साथी हो, अन्त चाहिँ हामी बुढोलाई झगडा परेर एक्टिङ गरौँ भन्ने कुरा गरे अरे। अन्त बुढाले चाहिँ म हिँडाको एक्टिङ गर्छु तिमी बुढोको एक्टिङ गर्नु भने ल ठिकै छ। खाना पकायो, सब्जी पकायो, मासु पकायो, खाने बेला भयो। पस्किनु आँट्दाखेरि यसो हेऱ्यो अरे साथी त आउँदैछ माथिबाट लुकुर लुकुर लुक्यो आउँदैछ अरे। अन्त बुढाले भने अरे लु साथी आउँदैछ म तिमीलाई खुटेको जस्तो गर्छु तिमी चाहिँ रुनु भने अरे। अन्त केटाले चाहिँ हस्बेन्डले चाहिँ कराउँदै खुट्यो अरे, पुरा खुटेको एक्टिङ गरे अरे। अन्त वाइफ पुरा रुखको एक्टिङ गरे अरे। टक्कै साथी आइपुग्यो, दैलो खोल्यो, यसो हेऱ्यो बुढाबुढी झगडा परिरहेको छ, अप्ठ्यारो लाग्यो, भाग्यो। त्यहाँ फर्क्यो अरे साथी। अन्त टक्कै साथी गएपछि त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ हस्बेन्डले भने अरे ए देखु म त चान्स पो नपाएको त, अब त म हेर्न लाग्दो एक्टर हो नि, मैले कस्तो लाग्दो एक्टिङ गरेर खुटेको जस्तो साथीले चिन्नु पनि सकेन भने हो। अन्त वाइफले चाहिँ ए त्यो कुण्डको पनि एक्टिङ गरिहाल्छ नि, म कस्तो हेर त साँच्चीको आँसु निकाल्ने कस्तो राम्रो भिडियो भने कि त्यसो भन्दा नभन्दा चाहिँ साथीले त आउने खोल्यो कि मैले भागेको एक्टिङ चाहिँ कस्तो लाग्यो भने थ्याङ्क यू सो
ट्रक भेट्छ त्यो ट्रकको पछाडि चाहिँ के लेखेको हुन्छ भन्दा चाहिँ माथि इङ्ग्लिसबाट ब्लो हर्न लेखेको हुन्छ, मुनि मुनि चाहिँ नेपालीबाट धन्यवाद लेखेको हुन्छ। ब्लो हर्न मुनि चाहिँ धन्यवाद। अब के एमएलएले चाहिँ के बुझ्छ भन्दा ब्लो हर्न भनेको चाहिँ धन्यवाद रहेछ भन्ने बुझ्छ अरे। अब जान्छ उसलाई अब त्यति इङ्ग्लिस आएको हुँदैन, जान्छ माथि एप्रिसिएसन लेटर रिसिभ गर्नु परेछ। त्यहाँ सिएम साहबहरूको अगाडि गएर सबैको टर्न आउँछ, टक्कै स्टेजमा जान्छ है। अन्त हामीलाई थाहा छ मतलब इङ्ग्लिस जानेको छ भने ब्लो हर्न भनेको चाहिँ थ्याङ्क यू धन्यवाद भनेको रहेछ। टक्कै उसलाई सिएम साहबले सम्मान पत्र दिन्छ, ब्लो हर्न भन्छ। अर्को एमएलएले खला लागिन्छ ब्लो हर्न भन्दै आउँछ। थ्याङ्क
झरनाको पानी पिउन नसक्ने।
एक सेकेन्डमा सक्छ एक्टिङ।
ओ
को सिन्दुर हो या नै हो जीवन। Good afternoon, everyone. Again, happy teacher. I wish you all happy Teachers Day first. Just enjoying a beautiful situation with this today's auspicious occasion. Today's importance, we must share it. At least those are coming, the new students, they must know the importance why we are observing Teachers Day, 5th September. So it is a birth anniversary of our first Vice President and second President, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a scholar, academician, social worker, freedom fighter, everything. So let us take a little short view of life history of Dr. Radhakrishnan. Dr. Radhakrishnan, he was born at 1888 at the Tiruthani near Madras on 5th of September. And he was a good student and he completed his education from Madras University and Cambridge. And he come back and joined the bureaucratic system, and he was an ambassador to the Soviet Russia. And he was a teacher, he was a vice chancellor of Benares Hindu University, PHU. And his entire life is dedicated for the development of education, philosophy, and that making of country. He belongs to a family, of Orthodox family, and he served so many official posts, and he was a great teacher. And in the year of 1962, when he became the first president, a group of students met him and they expressed that to observe his birthday as a teacher's birthday in a grand manner at the Rashtrapati Bhavan, then Rashtrapati Bhavan. And he simply denied and expressed that by saying that Dr. Radhakrishnan should be pleased, more pleased, if all of you, all of my students observe this day as the Teachers' Day for all the country, or all the nation, for whole nation. And the students group accepted that thing, and from that year it is observed as Teachers' Day. Actually, it is the birthday of Dr. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a very caring teacher, and so many colleges and universities he served. And he is a great great philosopher, academician, everything. Ambassador, politician, social worker, social reformer. So we are observing, it is actually birth anniversary of our beloved former president, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. We are observing it is the dedication for the teachers, to respect the teachers. And here, back to our school, we are very much blessed. We have a wonderful team of teachers now. We have never seen this team members of Chota Sadhu Senior Secondary School. We passed very, very bitter experiences for last 3 years, last 15, 20 years. But now